Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us do some NCERT questions related to our last topic. The first question in the book is evaluate the following: sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Okay. Now the value of sine 60 in the table is root 3 by 2, and the value of cos 30 is 3 by 2, plus value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equals to 4 by 4 equals to 1. We have discussed the table in our last video. You can watch my previous video for the table. Our next question is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Now the value of tan 45 is 1 square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And we have the square of sine. Right? This will be equal to 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 will cancel out and it will give 2. The value of tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 is 2. By substituting the value of trigonometric ratio, you can solve the rest of the part of this question. Now we will do second question. Second question is choose the correct option and justify your answer. The first part is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30, and the options which are given are these, right? Now the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. This is 2 by root 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 multiply 3 by 4. This is equals to root 3 by 2. Right? Now, the options which we have here is sine 60. The value of sine 60 is, according to our table, is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 60 is root 3 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. And the answer that we have here is root 3 by 2, which is equals to sine 60, because the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. The option which is correct here is A. And the justification is the solution. The second part is 1 minus tan square 45, 1 plus tan square 45. Now, value of tan 45 is 1. 1 minus 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 square. 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that will equals to 0 by 2 or 0. The correct option is D. Our next question is if tan A plus B is equals to root 3 and tan A minus B is equals to 1 by root 3, such that A plus B is greater than 0 and less than equals to 90 degree. So find A and B. And yes, A is greater than B. So what we have to find out is the values of A and B. Now let us start. What we have is tan A plus B is equals to root 3. That is given. Okay. Now for which angle the value of tan is root 3? It's tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So in place of root 3 we can write tan 60, right? Tan A plus B is equals to tan 60. Now when both the tan values are equal, then their angle measure will also be equal, right? So A plus B is equals to 60. This is our first equation. Now similarly the second one is tan A minus B is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So in place of 1 by root 3 we can write tan 30. Tan A minus B is equals to tan 30, right? When the tan values are equal, the angle measures will also be equal. Therefore we can write A minus B is equals to 30. This is our second equation. Now by solving these two equations, twice of A is equals to 60 plus 30, 90, and A is equals to 45 degree. The value of A is 45 degree. By substituting this value of A in any of these equations, we can find out the value of B. Now I have substituted the value of A in first equation. Now the value of B is 50 degrees. We will continue the trigonometry in our next video also. If you have liked my video, kindly share it with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can email me in my email ID, which is in the description box. You can ask your doubt in comment section also. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.